Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert an iPhone video into slow motion. So let's get started. Now, in order to do this, you do need an app to do it as there's no built-in feature for it. So go to the App Store and then search for CapCut. So we're going to search for CapCut, and you're going to want to go ahead and download the CapCut photo and video editor, this app right here. So once you download that app, it's going to look like this on your iPhone. You're going to want to go ahead and open up the app. Now, once you have opened up the app, simply click on a new project. So you're going to tap on new project and you're going to select the video you like to convert into slow motion. I'm going to go ahead and select a video. I'm going to add it here to the project just like that. So let it add. It's going to take a little bit to download depending on your video size. Now here, as you can see here, currently it's playing in normal speed. Now, if you wanted to edit certain parts, right, you can click on that edit option right here, and then you want to tap on speed here. So when it comes to speed, there's different kind of speed variation. Usually you want to go with something normal or curve, or you can also change it up. So I'm just going to give you an example as a normal one. As you can see, currently it's on 1 speed. Now, if I wanted to slow it down, I just move this slider over here to maybe like half so that it can increase here. Now, once you have done that, you're just going to hit OK, and then go ahead and play. And as you can see here, the video has slowed down for me at 0.5, and it's going to tell you how long the video is over here as well. And of course, you can slow it down more. And then once you're ready, you can go ahead and click on export and then save it to your video. So let's go ahead and share here. We can share to TikTok, but you don't have to do that. You can go ahead and click on, let's go ahead and click on these dots here, 3 dots to save video. And then I will look at my Photos app. And as you can see here, this video that I have is in slow motion. Originally, it was 13 seconds. And then it's slowed down a lot more right here. But that's how you can do it using the CapCut app. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.